Hey, Dave.
One of the things I hope we do as part of this tax process is repeal the tax on poor Americans. Right now, about half of the people that pay the penalty under the individual mandate are people that make $25,000 or less. And rather than buy the insurance that supposedly we want them to buy, we overprice it and then we penalize them when they can't afford it. So we are going to repeal the tax on poor Americans. It'll amount to about $43 billion over the next 10 years. That'll be a huge influx of money into their pocket that right now they're having to pay the federal government. While we simplify the tax code, while we let people keep more of what they earn, and while we get competitive once again in a global economy and bring jobs and investment back to the United States.
So this idea of the individual mandate repeal in the Finance Committee, that's going to be in the bill, and you obviously think that that would help get it to 50 votes if that's the case.
Yeah, we're optimistic that inserting the individual mandate repeal would be helpful, and that's obviously the view of the Senate Finance Committee Republicans as well.
Will you be able to hold all of your members together? Are you confident?
Well, the bottom line is that 45 of our members signed a letter saying no tax increases for the top 1%, no increases, no blowing a hole in the deficit, and do it in a bipartisan way. The three who didn't sign agree with those three principles. So we Democrats are united. But we're also united in welcoming our Republican colleagues to work with us and produce a good bipartisan bill that will make America proud. Not a bill they're so ashamed of that first, they can't make it public, and second, they're tying themselves in total knots. You think it's going to help pass this bill to take away health care from 13 million people and raise premiums on tens of millions of Americans by 10% a year? No. But the way they've constructed this bill is so backward and so wrong that every day they're in more and more of a knot.